Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my September top box. This is September's top box. Obviously it is like the middle of September and this just showed up. It is looking very fat up in this section right here. So I can't wait to see what's in here. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. And if you are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you're getting all the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. All right, let's just jump right into this. It's quite heavy this month, so let's see what's in here. I'm giving you the first look. Ooh, I have a mirror. I can see this right here. I'm so excited. Well, since that's here, let's take this out. This is the Oli, I think it's called. This is the Undeniable Beauty Biotin, Keratin, Vitamin C and E gummies. There's 60 gummies in here, and on the back it actually says that it is a complimentary sample. So this wasn't actually part of the top box. This is literally a free thing that they just put in here. So this is kind of exciting. I've never tried these. I'm going to do some research on these to see what these are like, and I bet you these are not cheap. All right, so the next thing rolling around in here is this, and this is the Bioderma Solution Micellar. So this, I think, is a micellar water. It's a cute little container. This is 100 milliliters, so this is actually a pretty decent size. So then we have this here, and this is an eyeliner. This is the Dose, I think it's called. This is a kohl liner in, well, it doesn't have a name, but it's definitely black. That is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm not going to do a swatch of it. If you've been around my channel for a little bit, you know I dislike kohl liners. I don't really use them for anything. So I'm just going to put this in a giveaway or give it to somebody. So there are 2 more items in this box. And this month we didn't actually get one of those cards. So that's kind of interesting. Ooh, yeah. So this is the Pearlies. This is the Matcha Green Tea Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. So this is actually a mask. And it's got green tea, which is a benefit for, it's an antioxidant. And apparently it moistures skin. Sure. Vitamin C brightens, lemon brightens in the clay. It's white clay and it tightens pores and purifies them. Okay. Well, that's cool. If you guys wanted to see a video on me using this cute little mask, let me know in the comments below. And the last item in here is bubble wrapped, and it looks like it's a little bit of a, okay, so this is, I think it's called hikari. I have no idea. This is what it's called right here. Yep. Okay. This is in Radiant. This is a shimmer bronzer. Okay. So let's take it out of the packaging. This is interesting. I don't think I've gotten a, ooh, that's cool. So it's got 4 different things in here. So this is what it looks like. That's really cool. So this looks like there's a blush, but it looks shimmery. Okay. So those are the swatches. Obviously they don't look amazing. This one is the pink one, so it was more of a matte, and it is very hard to swatch. And then the 2 shimmers are really nice, and then the other matte, which is the dark brown, like this one, that's supposed to be obviously the bronzer. It does not swatch very well. That one there actually, so these 2, the matter looking ones, actually are really hard and you can't really pull anything off, so that'll be interesting. This is definitely something that will be more of a highlighter. Okay, so this month's been pretty good, honestly. Out of these are the technical 4 products that they give you in the box. So out of the 4 of them, and obviously the complimentary sample, I'm jazzed about. The only thing I probably am not going to use is this. So that's actually really good. If you guys would like to see a video on me using any of those things except for the kohl liner, or like a review on these and if I think they're worth it. Honestly, I don't think 60 caplets, 60 gummies, especially since you're supposed to take 2 of them a day, is really going to do anything. I'm not going to notice anything. Technically, you're supposed to be on something for like a couple of months for you to actually notice the difference. But if you want me to do a review on any of those, like the mask or something, or maybe use this in a video of doing my makeup, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can make a video for you guys. All right, well, that was everything for this month's top box. I hope you guys are staying safe and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!